Tavish here again at New Space Technologies, doing an unboxing video of the new Crestron series of 2018 remotes. This is the TSR-310. Crestron's changed their packaging, which is quite nice. It's kind of Apple-esque. And this is the new TSR-310. It gives you a little graphic of what the remote looks like. It's pretty slim. There we go. Here's the docking station. And here's the remote in question. I'm always a fan of well-balanced single-handed remotes. This one you can operate with one hand. Most buttons, it's got a decent screen. That's how thin it is. To give you a perspective of what the new remotes are like, this was the old version. These are the what was it? The MLX3s. So they're kind of their old rendition. Had a screen remote and a jog wheel and a little bit smaller, a little bit bulkier. Took batteries, but the communication on these was never great. I've deployed one of these. This would be my first unboxing, but it's got voice control features. Apple TV 2 makes a module through Crestron where you control the Apple TV. I like it. It's just missing the colored buttons at the bottom and maybe a page up, page down, but nothing you can't supplement here in the screen. Overall, it's well balanced. Looks pretty in the docking cradle. And I know overall I approve. I welcome the new look. TSR 310.